Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use codes in Voyage Odyssey. First, understand that these special codes unlock fantastic in-game rewards, like valuable gems or unique items, enhancing your adventure. You'll need to find the dedicated code redemption area within the game's interface. Always ensure your game is fully updated to guarantee these codes work correctly. Finding active codes is key. Often, developers release them on official social media or during special events. Once you have a code, copy it precisely. Pay close attention to capitalization and any special characters, as even a small error will prevent it from working. Then, carefully paste or type the code into the game's designated input field.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, after your epic Voyage Odyssey, who wants to come home to a messy house? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled and self-emptying. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
After entering your code, simply confirm the entry and tap the Redeem or Submit button. You should then receive an immediate in-game notification confirming that your code has been successfully redeemed. Finally, head over to your in-game mailbox or inventory to collect all the fantastic rewards you've just unlocked. Enjoy your new items. Sometimes codes don't work, but don't worry. First, always verify the code's expiration date, as many are time-sensitive. Next, double-check for any typos or incorrect characters you might have entered. Even a single wrong letter can cause issues. If all else fails, try restarting your game. This often resolves minor glitches and allows the code to register.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.